We are starting the course of MS Excel, and without any doubt, we can say MS Excel is one of the most used and user-friendly application of MS Office. In today's world, MS Excel is the need of everyone. Almost every business, every institution is using this software. Engineers are using for their calculations, auditors are using for data audit, and even if you are running your own business or a store, you can use this software for your inventory or a stock record or for sale record, etc. Before starting this course, let me introduce you to the MS Excel interface first. Like Word document and PowerPoint presentation, here we have Excel workbook. And like pages in Word file or slides in PowerPoint presentation, here we have worksheets. You can see these different tabs. These are all worksheets or simply sheets. When you open the new Excel file, then by default you will have 3 sheets or worksheets, but you can add or delete the sheets. In sheets you can see here we have these small boxes. These are called cells. Every cell has an address. As you can see here, this cell has an address of G2. You can see this is G and this is number 2. Every cell has a unique address, like you can see this is B2, this is B3 and so on. We write in these cells like you are seeing here. We have written the data in these cells. Then here you can see on top left corner of the screen we have a quick access toolbar. On quick access toolbar we can add or we can place some tools, like here we have save button, redo and undo button. We can customize this toolbar by simply going here, more commands. From here we can add the commands or we can remove the commands for this quick access toolbar. Select any command, and if you want to add, click on add and OK. And if you want to remove, select the command and select remove and then OK, and it will be removed. Then here we have some more settings, like this one is very useful for us. We can set the auto save timing so that we don't lose our work. We can set the timing like for every 10 minutes it will auto save the work. Then we can customize this ribbon. You can see here we have different tabs or menus like home tab, insert tab and page layout tab and so on. We can customize these ribbons, like in home tab we have different kind of tools available, but we can customize these tabs also. Select on customize ribbon and you can see here we have different options. We can add or remove the option from this ribbon, right? We can add or remove the tabs from here, like you can see here this developer tab is not added here. Similarly, this draw tab or draw menu is not added here. We can simply add by clicking here and then clicking here OK, and it will be added here. You can see this draw tab is added. Then this is the save button. By using this option or with shortcut key Ctrl+S, you can save the Excel worksheet. These are the different view options. This is normal view, this is page layout, and you can see here this is page break preview. This will show you about your print, that what is going to appear in your print. Then here we have zoom bar. We can zoom in or zoom out. Coming back to the normal view, and when you save the file, then the file name will appear here on top. As you can see here, I have saved this file by the name of sample data. That was all about this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thank you very much.